Hellcat.
Hello everybody, today is sort of a different video because I have a different setup. This is actually my new room, and I'm sorry I haven't posted in a long time. So, basically, I am going to be teaching you how to simply solve a Rubik's Cube 2x2 and 3x3 in a few simple ways. So, let's get right into the video. Okay, so we're gonna start with the 3x3. So basically you're gonna go that way, that way, that way, that way, that way, that way. And you're just gonna keep doing this method until it completely solves. And you'll be starting to get used to it. So I'm gonna finish in a second off camera. I'm about to solve it here, and if you just watch, there, it's completely solved. Bam! So, the next method I'm going to be teaching you is the 2x2. So basically, you're gonna want to go forward, that way, and that way. Don't worry, because if the camera's flipped, it works each way. So basically, you're just gonna keep doing this method until it solves. Now, if you solve a face, but not the whole thing, do not worry, because you did not mess up. You are completely fine, because you do not mess up anything. You just have to keep the cube very still so it doesn't mess up anything. Because if you do, like, move the face to here, it will not work anymore. Hold on, I'll be right back. Hello, I'm back. I solved the Rubik's Cube. Took me forever. And yeah, I guess that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed, hope you use these. And actually, in the description, go check it out, because there's a really cool website that helps you solve Rubik's Cubes in no time. And it includes 2x2s, 3x3s, 4x4s, and pyramids. So go check that out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!